face is killing. My legs are killing. All in the name of training, eh?
Am I waking you up?
The hail has now stopped. It was so dark and so cold, and God, my legs were in so much pain. God, hailstone on your legs is not fun. Carry on with the training session now. It was so cold this morning, and so I feel like I should explain why the hell I was out in the hail, in the rain, in freezing temperatures. Well, you probably guessed from the title of the video. I'm being coached. I decided that I wanted to be coached to see where I can go really with it. The company that I'm getting coached with are called Transition Cycle Coaching, and I've been with them for 2 weeks. I just wanted to share what I'm doing with them and share that with you. So basically this first 2 weeks has just been just trying to find out my power, trying to find out different capabilities of riding. So far I've done an FTP test, I did a 1 minute test, and then a 5 minute VO2 max test, which I did this morning, which was why I had to go out this morning. It was only 40 minutes total, but 5 minutes of that was VO2 max. And I'm really, really liking it. I always thought that I wouldn't go down that route. Like, I'd seen other people do it and just thought, no, I just don't think that's for me. I just think I want to ride just for fun. But I think it's because I didn't really understand it, and I love having like a structured plan. Like, I really like knowing what I'm going to be doing for that, rather than just kind of like, obviously I still love just like riding out for fun, which I've got a 3 hour, like just a 3 hour endurance ride on Tuesday morning, so I have to do that before work. But that's just like a steady ride, so I might go to Duffstones actually. I've not been there for a while, so I think I'm probably going to head there, well, if the weather's okay. And it also like forces me to go out, because I feel like that's what I have to do. It's not just like me. If you look at my Strava this week, I've ridden a lot more than I have other times in the last month, I guess. Just because I've got a plan, and I like having a plan. So yeah, they're called Transition Cycle Coaching. I will leave a link if you're interested to have a look. They're UK based. So yeah, have a look, see what you think. Let me know if you get coached. I find it really fascinating, to be honest. I really like pushing myself, which I've never really had before. I've done the odd FTP test, but I actually really want to push myself and see if I can get faster, if I can hold power longer, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I want to share this kind of like whole thing with you, because I see other people being coached, and I'm always like, oh, what do they do? Like, what does that entail? Like, how many times a week are they going out? And obviously that's going to vary for different people, but I think I want to do like one video a week of like the previous week's training. So it'll just be, rather than doing like a video every single day of training, I'm going to do like a whole recap of every single week. And I'll film a little bit from each day and each day's ride and what I've been doing, how I'm feeling. And yeah, I think that's the plan. It might be like a longer video, so maybe like 15 minutes or something. I don't really know. Is that something that you would want to watch? Are you interested in seeing, you know, what's happening with coaching? Let me know if you are, and I will make that video. But I think even just for me, I kind of like documenting it just to see where I'm at, like where numbers are. And if numbers and watts and data aren't for you, then you're probably not going to like these videos, because that is what this is going to be about. Obviously there's going to be some like more endurance stuff, so just kind of like chit-chatty ride. So that's pretty much it. So heading to work now. Oh my god, it was so cold. It's like, do you know when you have hail or rain that's really cold, and it's like it was side wind and it was coming down on my face, and it was like needles. It was like needles going into my, oh, I don't like to exaggerate obviously, but it was painful, and my legs were just like so painful from it. And then it only lasted maybe like 15 minutes of the ride, and then it just stopped. I was like, oh, the sun is coming, well, not the sun, but the sun behind the clouds was coming out, and I was just like, oh my God, this is amazing. I am so pumped for summer. I cannot, or spring even. I can't wait to get out and be doing some like long Audaxes, long rides, because that ideally is my goal long term. Like that is what I want to do. I want to do endurance rides, like long rides, so that's what I'm aiming towards. I'm gonna go now because I've just been chatting so long. I've got to go to work, and I will see you next video.